MyTSA app. So how to install it? All the information you need to fly in one app. So best government mobile app from the American Council for Technology. So you can quickly search which items you can bring with your checkpoint, request live assistance, check how historical busy airport will be on your day, check crowdsourced TSA security checkpoints, add your own TSA security checkpoints, check the delay information and current weather. And so then here you can just use it to get all the information you need to fly in one app. Customize for your travel plans, see wait times, pack smart, and quite handy app for travel, especially during some events, some unexpected events and stuff like that. And you just need to agree. All right, so you can also see that this app right now is not actively managed. So anyhow, that's the app.